So, dear students, this problem, the FBD we have drawn for this problem, in which uh, there are two cylinders fitted inside the quarter circular section. So, we have drawn the FBD for this. Our aim is to determine the contact surfaces, means the reactions at A, reaction at B, reaction at C, reaction at C, reaction at D. So this we have to get. Also we have to represent R in terms of small r, means radius of the circular quarter circular section in term of the radius of the cylinder. So इसके लिए FBDs पहले से बना लिए हैं हमने, मीन्स with the help of previous video we can see this is the for cylinder 1 and this is for cylinder 2. Let us, with the help of both the cylinders, referring to cylinder 1, referring now our purpose is to satisfy the equilibrium conditions, to satisfy the equilibrium conditions. ठीक है. So cylinder 1, आप देख सकते हैं how many forces are there. W1 is acting downward, RD inclined with x-axis horizontal axis by 22.5 degree, and one more force, reactive force RC, inclined with W2 weight of RC inclined with W1 by 45 degree. This better if we draw the FBD once again here. ठीक है, तो ये सेंटर है O1 and this is the W1, and from here it is making 22.5 degree, and this is what RD, this is RD. ठीक है. and one more force, the reactive force. This is R C, and this angle is means it is inclined means this angle it is 45 degree 45 degree. So here it will be also 45 डिग्री. ठीक है, तो इस टाइप की हमने फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम बना लिए फॉर द सिलेंडर 1. ओके, एंड फ्रॉम वेयर वी हैव टू स्टार्ट. एक्चुअली इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशंस सेटिस्फाई करना है एंड उसके थ्रू अननोन्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. सो दे आर 2 सिलेंडर्स एंड फ्रॉम वेयर वी हैव टू स्टार्ट. तो आप देख सकते हैं जिसमें लेस नंबर ऑफ फोर्सेस हो. So if you compare cylinder 1 and cylinder 2, so cylinder 1 is subjected to 3 forces, but cylinder 2 is subjected to 4 forces. कैसे? तो सबसे पहले तो ये RA हो गया, this RA, then RB, then RC, then W2. ठीक है. सो मिनिमम नंबर लेस नंबर कौन से सिलेंडर में है? सिलेंडर 1 में है. तो दैट्स वाई वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम सिलेंडर 1. अब क्या करते हैं? समेशन ऑफ एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0. दिस कंडीशन वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई. सो आप देख सकते हैं आर डी का डायरेक्शन कैसा है. आर डी आपका निगेटिव साइड में है. सो दैट्स वाई आर डी and it is inclined with the horizontal axis. That's why here we will take the cos 22.5 degree. Okay, and what about the direction of RC? It is positive x direction. So RC, and here you can see it is inclined up by 45 degrees. So cos 45 degree is equal to 0. Okay, so this is equation 1. And we have to then satisfy summation of f y is equal to 0. Then what we get? So W1 is acting in downward direction. That's why with minus sign. And what about the all the reactive forces means RC acting upward direction. So it will be with sin 45 degree, and RD भी क्या हो जाएगा? RD sin 45 degree is equal to 0. So this is our second equation. Okay, and now after this the FBD of lower cylinder or cylinder 2. Okay, so this is the cylinder 2, its weight, and here R A, here R C, and here R B, and this angle is 22.5 degree, and this angle with the horizontal RC, with the horizontal it is 45 degree, and this is the W2. Okay, so let us satisfy the equilibrium condition. Summation of fx is equal to 0, then Ra, the positive x direction, minus Rb, because Rb is acting negative x direction, and with the because it is the angle is there is angle with the vertical axis, means with W2, and it is 22.5. so क्या हो जाएगा ये आपका sin 22.5 degree. And what about the direction of RC? So RC is also in negative direction, RC, but with horizontal axis x. That's why cos 45 degree. Okay, so RC RC in this way is equal to 0, and this is our third equation. Okay, now going to satisfy the summation of Fy is equal to 0, then Ra, so Ra तो इसमें लेना नहीं क्योंकि वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में Ra is working in x डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, so what about W2? W2 is acting in downward direction, that's why with minus sign, and also RC is working in downward direction. So RC क्या हो जाएगा इसमें, RC sin 45 degree, and RB positive direction, so RB cos 22.5 degree is equal to 0. Okay, so in this way it is fourth equation. So by solving all these four equations, what we get finally? So we get the answers we get Ra is equal to 1.41 for W, Rb we get 1.848 W, one thing I am forgetting here, the weight of the both the cylinders are same, that's why W1 is equal to W2 is equal to W here. Okay, that's why reactions are coming in terms of W. Okay, and RC is equal to W, RD is equal to 0.765 W. Okay, There is a one more question, means part of this problem, means the expression of r in term of small r. Okay, so how to get this? So you can see the figure. In this, with the help of this figure, we can get like a sine 22.5 degree is equal to आपका from O to O1 to A, means from here, so here, this one from here to here. Okay, O1 divided by O1. Okay, here it is O2, sorry, it is O2. So it means O1 A divided by, आप देख सकते हैं, this from here to here. Okay, so why not to extend it up to B? So I'm going to extend it. O2 is equal to OB minus O1B once again from this channel. Now we have to get, suppose sine 22.5 degree, ठीक है, and our purpose is to get relation r in term of small r. Okay, this one. So what we are doing, sine 22.5 degree, and that is equal to O, here O to A. This distance we are taking, and that's why O1 divided by, sorry, O1A divided by O2, and this line is, this line, this is O, this is O2, and after extending, this is B. Okay, so the total length is this one and this one. It is capital R. Okay, but what about this one? From here to here it is R. From here to here it is R. So that's why O1 A divided by OB, from O to B, OB minus O1B. So this is O2B, O2B. So in this way we are getting R minus, sorry, R divided by capital R minus R, and finally this can be expressed in sine 22.5 degree R divided by minus capital R small r. So capital R is equal to 3.613 small r. Okay, so in this way with the help of free body diagrams, we have satisfied the equilibrium conditions. Then we established four relationship, means for the equations we got, and by solving all these four equations we can get the contact reactions like Ra, Rb, Rc, Rd, and how to express capital R in terms of small r. So with the help of this channel, we can get this answer, means capital R is equal to 3.613 small r. So in this way we have done this question. Thank you.